In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube using your phone. So from the YouTube application, click on the little video icon to then look inside of your phone and upload something. So select the video you want to upload, click on Next, and then it's going to bring you to a very basic upload section. I like to normally just add in a very small piece of text and make sure that I'm uploading it either unlisted or private. Once it finishes uploading, then I will go ahead and open up the YouTube Studio app. So once my video appears inside the YouTube Studio application, I can go ahead and click on that video and then click on the edit icon. From here, I can add in everything else that I normally don't get inside of the YouTube application. I can click on edit thumbnail and then upload my own thumbnail that I already have for that video. Click select. I can then add in the rest of my title. I like using this application called Asana, where I actually store all my information inside this application. That way, all I have to do is just copy and paste all my text, for example, my description, into the YouTube application without having to type everything out. Or you can also type everything out. There is no right or wrong way of doing it. As long as you get your description in there, you should be fine. Again, add in your title. You could then change this to public, so that way everybody could see it. You can add this to a playlist. That way this video will be stored within that category. You can also add in different tags by clicking down there and adding in all your tags. And you can also go into the settings and modify the settings that you want to change when you're uploading this video. And then once you're done, just click save, and that will go ahead and apply all those changes to that video, and voila, now you've uploaded a video onto YouTube using your phone. Don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this, and have a good rest of your day. Hopefully you're doing fine, you're doing well. So see ya.